Hello friends and welcome to BrinaCreations. In today's video, I'll be talking about the benefits of moringa leaves as well as the benefits of moringa seeds. There are many ways moringa leaves and seeds can be of benefit to you, and I'll be telling you how. You may want to watch till the very end to get all the important information I'll be sharing with you guys. As a woman, if you take off your bra and your breasts drop so much that they are practically shaking hands with your waist, you need to take magnesium citrate. As a woman, if your vagina smells like sewage or rotten eggs, you need to take vitamin B. If your belly is bigger than that of a woman who is 7 months pregnant, you need to take fulvic acid. The best food or dietary supplements for quality sleep is magnesium glycinate. If you have intestinal issues, you need to take L-glutamine. If you suffer from muscle cramps or arthritis, you need to take iron. If you constantly feel tired, dizzy, or faint, you need to take vitamin C. Now, here's the problem. If you go out and try to buy all these supplements separately, you spend over $300, which is about 500,000 naira or more in Nigeria. And even worse, you have to measure and take each one daily to get all the benefits. Really, how many tablets or how many supplements do you want to take per day? On the other hand, if you buy some supplements that promise to deliver some of the nutrients, they are not as concentrated as you need, and they'll be very expensive as well. My question is, would you not rather have a better and safer option? That's exactly why I recommend this powerful and natural remedy to my favorite people, which is called moringa and is popularly called the miracle plant. It combines all these benefits into one single natural substance and is so incredible that I call it a natural treasure. Just a small dose in the morning delivers a concentrated burst of essential nutrients that most people don't get from their normal diet and even other supplements. You start sleeping more deeply and waking up with more energy and even thinking more clearly throughout the day, among other benefits. A feeling you'll be so amazed at. Moringa's unique plant compounds actively support gut health, muscle recovery, stress resilience, and immune strength, which helps your body stay balanced even under stress and pressure. So if you would like to know more what exact anti-aging routine that can help you, which has helped thousands of people by the way, to help you feel like yourself again, as a man or a woman, drop a comment below. Just type routine in the comment section and I'll send it your way. I've made another video sometime in the past where I stated use cases, testimonies, and reviews of moringa, and I will encourage you to watch it also. I'll be linking that to this video in the description and somewhere up above in the video. Remember guys that I grow this moringa myself. I have the seeds, I have the leaves, which is eventually turned into powder. This is me prepping my own, how I usually package them. Sometimes I walk around with them. Like I said, if you're interested, just type routine in the comment section and I'll get back to you ASAP. Sadly, many brands claim to sell moringa but mix it with cheap fillers just to increase profits. Make sure to get it from very reliable source, and if you'd like to get from me, since I grow them myself, feel free to let me know in the comment section as well. BrinaCreations moringa only contain one ingredient, which is 100% pure moringa leaf or seeds as the case may be. Everyone should know this. There are countless reviews and testimonies from people who have used these moringa leaves and seeds and are counting. You only need to make sure you get from a very reliable source, which is something I'm working on. Soon I'll add my store to my channel so that you can get it or any other superfoods directly from BrinaCreations. In the meantime, I hope you've learned a thing or two from this video. Please let me know if you have by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, drop your comments below, and then share with your loved ones, that is your family and friends. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.